This tutorial will guide you through the steps to create your Mega Link, use tracking features, and find secondary product links for promotion on OLSP. Follow these easy steps to optimize your lead generation and increase your sales. After logging in, click on the provided section to get your Mega Link. Please note that you need to upgrade for 7 USD to access the Mega Link feature. Share the Mega Link you obtained to generate leads and sales. You can also explore the free training inside OLSP or follow my next tutorials for more tips. Click on the Affiliate Center to explore more link options and access tracking features. In the Affiliate Center, click on the Tracking tab to start setting up tracking for your links. Click on the button provided to create a new tracking ID. Enter a name or traffic source for your tracking ID in the designated field. After entering the details, click the Save button to store your new tracking ID. Click on the plus icon to add the created tracking ID. Click on the link to copy it. Use this feature to track and test different content, ads, posts, etc. Go to the Promote Offers section to find links to different products. Here, you will find various product links. These products will automatically be advertised to your leads, but you can also promote them separately if you wish. Click here if you want to add bonuses to specific products, which can help in increasing conversions. Click here to copy the product link, or you can head over to the Tracking tab to create a tracking link. Click on the links provided to get marketing materials, emails, etc. Click on Commission Breakdown to learn how much you can earn per sale. Review the breakdown to see that your commissions depend on your membership level. Click here to promote the next live event and earn even more commissions. You have successfully set up your Mega Link and tracking IDs. Learn more about optimizing your promotions and maximizing your commissions in the next set of tutorials.